activity is about how to make a recipe related to a food topic. The students are asked to bring to class food items. Okay, they are going to present it. The objective of this activity is to make students use a very easy language, okay, related to the topic. I give the vocabulary to cooking verbs. They are going to practice, if you like, or recycle this vocabulary to this activity. This one is before, it's not clear enough for you. I think it's a game. I ask students to choose the game they like. Okay, the games are. This one is a sample. Is to find students. They are asked to come up with many words. Okay, from these pictures, and the group which is the winner or has got many scores is declared the winner. Okay, this one is about short one about movies. So they are asked to come up with the movies they like. Okay, what are the movies they like? Okay, they come up with the type of the movie first, the idea or the story of the film, and what they like about it. Their opinion about it, express their opinion. That's the thing. Thank you very much.